To demonstrate how effective Ionix 800 works, we're starting with a clean concrete floor. Ionix 800 works on any masonry surface, interior or exterior. By appearance, this floor is clean. To show you how clean, we'll stick this piece of tape to the floor. Now we will pour this dirty motor oil onto the floor and give it a few moments to settle. We'll wipe the oil around and into the floor to show you how well Ionix 800 will clean up the oil. Using a hand sprayer, we'll apply Ionix 800 on the dirty motor oil. To clean larger areas, use a power sprayer. As Ionix 800 breaks down the motor oil, lighter areas begin to appear in the black motor oil spill. Because Ionix 800 is free from solvents, you need to slightly change your cleaning methods. We're using a stiff bristled push broom to agitate Ionix 800 into the heavy motor oil. This allows Ionix 800 to thoroughly combine with the oil. On smooth concrete, let Ionix 800 work for a few seconds. On porous or brushed surfaces, let Ionix 800 work for a few minutes. The only tools needed are a clean mop and water to remove the dirty motor oil from the concrete. Because Ionix 800 has broken down the oil no longer sticks to the concrete. As you can see, there is no oil residue on the mop. For rinsing larger areas, you could just as easily use a high-pressure hose to remove the waste solution. Now the concrete can be left to dry. Or, as we are doing, you can use a squeegee to remove the last of the water and a fan to blow air across the wet floor. With the oil spills in some types of concrete, stains cannot be removed completely. But even then, Ionix 800 will clean the surface so it can be sealed or painted. As with all cleaning and degreasing, you may need to allow Ionix 800 to remain on the substances different lengths of time. As you can see, the floor where the dirty oil stood is clean. Since the floor is dry, the spot where the dirty oil stood is ready for the tape test to prove how clean the floor really is.